Hello, everybody. And today we're going to be doing filtering. In this experience, we are going to filter for only the users who have cleared their cart. So yes, this experience will only be shown to those who have cleared their cart. And let's go inside of the experience and take a look. Before we start, I just want to show you some of the out-of-the-box filters that are available for you. So you can filter by point of sale, by region, by country, et cetera, date of the week. However, we are going to write a custom one. So if we write a custom one, that means that we will have to create a template, which, as I will reiterate, is best practice is to be making templates. So I'm going to go ahead and create a condition, and let's call it has cleared cart. Okay, and here we go. And before we even get started, I want to show you what the data that we're dealing with looks like. So for that, I'm going to need my browser ID. And I will go to test here. And I'm just going to bookmark this ID if I can. And we're going to bookmark that. Okay, and then, so what we're dealing with is, this is the guest object. And it has these properties, and it has a sessions property, which is an array. And inside of that sessions property, there is, well, where is it? So I'm just going to control F in here. Clear cart. Okay, so this clear cart, it's the type property, and that is inside of events. That's inside of events, and I believe events is inside of sessions. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back up here. Let's just get the data structure set. So sessions, and then there is an events array inside of sessions. Okay. Okay, so a couple things. One thing that will most likely throw you if you're doing this, so this will be of huge help to you. There are a lot of the JavaScript methods are not going to work for you. They're not supported. So like array filter, or these unsupported or supported. These are supported. Okay. And then there's some that are unsupported. In my experience, even the ones that are said to be are not said to be unsupported, are a lot of them are not. I would like to use find for this actually. I would like to use some, but I'm just going to do a good old fashioned for loop because that's what works. I do know that works. So let's just get started. And sorry, I probably should just have this done for you, but And then we are going to loop through sessions. While I is less than guest.sessions.length and I plus plus. Okay, so I'm looping through the sessions array. And I know this is verboten, but I'm going to loop. I'm doing a for loop inside of a loop here. I'm not sure how else I can do it, especially without these methods involved, but maybe it would be more performant with the methods. If you have a better way to do this, please tell me in the comments, please. But I'm going to go ahead and inside of sessions, I'm going to loop over the events array. Is less than of I dot session dot events dot length. This is not going to be an I. This is going to be a J. And J plus plus. And then we are going to do conditional if guest, hold on here, sessions dot of I dot events J is equal to clear cart. We are going to return true. I don't want this. And then we will just return false signal. Okay, so let's test it out. And clear cart is not defined. Oh, this is a string. Okay, it should be true. We saw that I had it. What's wrong here? Okay, this should be dot type. Just test that. Okay, so I think this is good. We're going to go ahead and save it. And publish. And maybe a best practice would be actually, can we put a little description on here of what it does? That would have been nice. I'm not sure if it's too late for me to do that, but I think it usually gives you an option to make a little bit of a description so I can tell the content editor what it's doing and such. But maybe I'm thinking of something else. Okay, never mind. Okay, describe the conditions so that your colleagues understand how it works. Okay, I would have to duplicate this whole thing, but I will go back and do that. Because I don't think that I can edit it from here. I have to actually start a new one, I believe. Oh, no, I can. Okay. checks to see if the user has cleared their cart. Okay, and there we go. There's our description. And then let's go into our experience. And let's add that filter. That's clear cart. Okay. And then let's go ahead and just preview it. And we're going to impersonate me. All right. Page targeting did not pass. Oh, yeah. I said I was going to fix that and I forgot. One sec here. It's working on the website. If you remember from the previous session, it's working on the website, but not in here. For now, I'm just going to remove this stuff. I'll put it back in. I just want to show that the filter is working on everything's working on the website. That's failing on preview for some reason. I want to show this on preview. Okay, audience filter is false. Okay. Am I using the right? Let's do this one. I don't know if that was the right one, the right user. Okay, I was using the wrong user. So you'll see here that that was actually a good point to make. You can see that it failed. I had a different user in, maybe from a different browser. I don't. And then that I had the wrong ID bookmarked, and it failed. Experience didn't happen, and this time the filter worked, and it is filtering correctly. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and offline, I'm going to put the page targeting back in so it doesn't break the preview tool. And that will be it for today.